Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Josy. If you are new here, you are welcome. Thanks for joining me today. We are back again for my 100 envelope savings challenge week 2. We did week 1 and we did 1 to 10. Today we are doing week 2, and week 2 we are doing with a tweak a little bit. For this 100 envelope savings challenge, as you all know, I have done it before. For those of you who are new here, it's not just the regular 100 envelope savings challenge. This one I'm tweaking it a little bit. So instead of 11, I won't put 11. I'll put 1 plus 1, which is 2. So very simple. Good for low income, high income, big income, small income. Whichever way that your income level is, you can still try this challenge. And for today, I just want to give a big shout out to my new subscribers. Thank you for being part of my friends. For my OG, you guys know I love you guys so much. And the way we are doing the challenge, we are summing up the double numbers. And let's see how this money is going to add up. So a lot of people may think that it's very small amount each time. But if you keep up with the consistency, by the time we finish this challenge, trust me, you have a nice little pile of savings somewhere in this wallet, or wherever you are doing it, whether digital, you are moving it, that's also fine. So today, let me show you guys something. I got a gift from a friend at work. It's one of my technicians, and I really love it. He went to Boston, that's where he's from, and he got me this. I'm loving this. This is really nice. I do have some that I put my smoothie in, and I was telling my sister that I really need some stuff like this. The one that I have, I can't put it in a dishwasher, but for this one, I can. This one, I'm sure is just a water bottle, but because with the straw, I use mine with my juice and stuff. So I love it. I told him that I can't afford not to show to my YouTube subscribers. So, and I got the candle. The candle, I smell it from the top, and it smells so good. It smells so good. So thank you, Obi. Thank you for giving me this. I really appreciate when people give me little things or little gifts, because I'm the type that I don't get gift a lot. I don't get gift a lot. A lot of people think that, oh, she has everything. Like, that's what people think about me. So I don't get gift a lot. So when somebody give me a little gift, I appreciate it from my heart. So thank you, Obi. Thank you. So now let's go ahead and see what is going on here. So you guys remember that I was telling you I'm looking for a marker that I can use for my laminations, like this one. Almost all my savings challenge are laminated. So I'm going to try a dry eraser. This one is a dry eraser that I have. So I'm going to use that one and see how it goes, because the other markers that I use, it kind of messed up the envelopes at the front here, the front one especially, and also my wallet. Yeah, so I want to use this and see how it goes. So now let's go ahead and do from 11 to 20 today. Let's count the money and see how much we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That's 17. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that will be 56. I hope everybody is doing very well. Yeah, I'm also trying to bring a series, which I'm starting tomorrow. I'm going to do a series, like kind of like a cool podcast style kind of thing, a setup video that you're going to see my face. Hopefully hopefully I will do it, because I keep on asking myself whether I should do it, whether people are going to watch. So if you see those videos, click on it and watch. So we are doing 1 plus 1, which is $2. Put it. I like the way it's sliding, so nice. 1 plus 2 is 3. One plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. Then I have 1 plus 5 is 6. One plus 6 is 7. One plus 7 is 8. One plus 8 is 9, but for 9 I'm going to do 10. The last time I did it, some of them I did add a little bit of money to it. Like this one I'm adding just $1. But if you are following me and want to do 9, that's fine. Like I just want to like get a little money on top of the regular one that we're going to get. But that's okay. 1 plus 9 is 10. So this one we will do 10. Then 2 plus 0 is 2. And this is 2. I like the way the money slides so easy. So we started from 11 to 20 and see how this week is going. It might look small, but it's definitely not small. It adds up so quickly. So we have to keep on going till we get to the number 100. And you see how your money is adding up. I will just go ahead and mark my tracker. Then I'll go ahead and sum it up as well to see how much we have today. Okay. So it's going to be 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 2. So we are saving 56 this week. Mine is just going to be 57 because I added $1 in one of them. And that's fine. If you have 56, move it into your account. If you are doing it bi-weekly, if you have 56, move it in your savings account right now. And I mean savings account, your higher savings account. If you are doing it weekly with me, every week I'm going to do 10 envelopes. Okay, so that's that for today. Let me go ahead and put this. Let me let it dry up a little bit. And if you are doing a similar challenge, whether you are making it a different way, or whether you are doubling the numbers, whether you are doing a regular 100 MV savings challenge, I would love to hear from you. Make sure you leave it in a comment, and so that it can motivate each other to do the savings challenge. But I'm loving how this small amount are keeping up. Like it's very small, very simple. And the way we are keeping up, it also keep up our momentum. It also motivates us to save, keep little money on the side. And it also does not overwhelm our budget. That's one thing I like about this savings challenge. It will not overwhelm your budget. So thank you for watching me today. If you haven't clicked on the subscribe button, go ahead and do so that you don't miss any of my video. This was the week 2 of the 100 envelope savings challenge that we are adding up the numbers. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Every envelope that you are filling up today is a step closer to your savings goals. Remember that, because it is for me. Bye bye bye.